cute. She's totally going for it.
Go, Maggie, go.
Maggie, Maggie, Maggie.
Get one of those birds.
She's going for a nest, I think. Don't give up, Meg.
Don't give up.
People
Get
need
him.
you. Are they shitting out the tree?
Are they what?
I think the stuff keeps dropping from where the birds are. I keep wondering if they're shitting.
They're shitting themselves because they're scared.
I think Maggie's fucking scary. She's a demon cat.
She is a demon cat.
Maggie!
No, don't call her.
You just want to get hurt by the birds.
I wanted her to take one down.
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? It's getting higher. Maggie!
You can do it, Maggie. Get one. I think I see the nest.
Look at her! She lifted both her feet off. Did you get one?
She's got something. Oh, what is that? It's a birdie. She's got a birdie. Good job, Maggie. Good job. Oh, yeah. You've got something. Is that... What is that?